Welcome back, children. Now we are going to start the new chapter, that is factors and multiples. Students, we have already done this chapter, factors and multiples, in class 4 also. So let us recall first what we have already done in the previous class. So first of all, we should know what are factors. Now as you can see, 2 into 6 is what? 12. That is, if we multiply 2 and 6, we get 12. So we can say that each number, that is 2 or 6, is a factor of 12, because if we multiply these two numbers, we are getting 12. So we can say that 2 and 6 are the factors of 12. See next example, 42 can be written as 3 into 2 into 7. We can also write 1 here. So it means 1, 3, 2 and 7 are the factors of 42. Because if we multiply all these, we are getting 42. Also here we can write 1 into 2 into 6. Because 1 will be the factor of every number. So it means we can say that every factor of a number, if 3 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 7 is a factor, so we can say that every factor of a number is its exact divisor. Exact divisor means if we divide this number by 42, the remainder will be 0. So you can see here 42 divided by 3, remainder 0. 42 divided by 2, remainder 0. And 42 divided by 7, remainder 0. Also 42 divided by 1 will be remainder 0. So it means all the factors of the given number will be its exact divisor. Clear? Next is 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is the factor of 7, of 25, 1 is the factor of 100, because whenever a number is divided by 1, the remainder always 0. Next is every number is a factor of itself. Like 3 is a factor of 3 because 3 comes in the table of 3. 12 is a factor of 12 because 12 comes in the table of 12. 112 is a factor of 112 because 112 comes in the table of itself. So it means every number will be the factor of itself. Next is every factor of a number is either less than or equal to the number. See, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. If you see carefully, every factor is either less than 6 or equal to 6. 1 is less than 6, 2 is less than 6, 3 is less than 6, then 6 is equals to 6. Then next we have number of factors are always finite. Finite means we can count how many factors are there. It doesn't mean that we cannot count the number of factors. We can always count the number of factors. So that's why number of factors are always finite. Next we have prime numbers. The numbers which have exactly 2 factors, only 2 factors, they are called prime numbers. Or we can say that the prime numbers are those numbers which comes in the table of itself only. 2 comes in the table of 2 only. 3 comes in the table of 3 only. 4 No, 4 comes in the table of 2 also. So 5 is a prime number because 5 comes in the table of itself only. So all the numbers which come in its table only, that is called a prime number. One thing always keep in mind that 1 is not a prime number. Why? Because 1 has only one factor, that is itself only. And for prime numbers, there must be exactly 2 factors. Now let us move to the composite numbers. Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors. For example, 6, 4, 8, they all are composite number. So now, I have already told you that is not a prime number and that is not a composite number. It has been given a special name, that is pseudo prime number. The number which is neither prime nor composite. Next, you should know that smallest prime number is 2. The prime numbers start from 2, so it means the smallest prime number is 2. Then next we have what are twin primes. Twin primes, the pair of primes whose difference is 2. 7 minus 5, 2. So these two primes are called twin primes. First of all, they should itself a prime number, then their difference should be 2. Now take a break for 2 minutes and do the following question. Write 2 pairs of twin primes. Now break is over. Let us discuss its solution. First pair is 11 and 13. They both are prime and their difference is 2. 17 and 19, both are prime and their difference is 2. So now I hope the introduction of factors and multiples is clear to you now. Now new rules of divisibility we will do in our next lesson. And your homework is you have to do exercise 5.7 full. Thank you, children.